This is going to be a mobility flow for the spine. So what we're going to do, we're going to get into a quadruped position. From this position, I'm going to drive the ground away. What I'm not doing is I'm not locking out the elbow, but I'm going to drive the ground away and just get a little bit of protraction through the shoulders. From here, we're going to go into some segmental cat-cows. So starting at the pelvis here, I'm going to drop it down, again keeping that ground pushed away, one vertebrae or spine at a time. I'm going to extend, and then I'm going to reverse. Really trying to isolate and figure out which part of the spine is more tricky to move. What this helps to do is more so isolate the spine versus everything moving as a unit. Once I get the flow of that and do that about 2 times, we are going to go into some lateral flexions. As I do these lateral flexions, I want to think about moving more through the rib cage. So I'm trying to tap my ribs to the side of the room. What I don't want as this happens is for the shoulder to elevate here or the butt to shift over. So I'm just milking this out, going side to side about 5 times. After this, we can get in some scap push-ups. So we'll bring the shoulder blades together. As I do this, I don't want them to elevate. Remember, they're just coming together in the back. And then I'm pushing the ground away. One of the biggest mistakes that we see with scap push-ups is we'll come through the mid-back here and hunch over, allowing the shoulders to fall forward, versus really getting that push through the shoulders themselves. After a few of those scap push-ups, I'm going to keep the ground pushed away, so protract it into the ground. Stay stable. I'm going to bring one hand forward. Bring it back. One hand forward. Bring it back. And we're just going to repeat this. As I'm doing it, what I don't want to see happen is we're reaching forward and we're losing the stabilization through the ground here. So we're just reaching forward. We're not trying to move the whole body. We're really just trying to feel stretch and cause some stabilization through this shoulder blade here. After that, what I can do is I can repeat the process. When I repeat the process, though, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit back onto the heels. And I'm just going to get motion through that mid-back. So now I'm isolating a little bit higher up as we focus more on those shoulders and mid-back. Again, ground is staying pushed away. I'm not shrugging up into the ears. Okay. After that, if I want to isolate lower back, what I'll do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to grab the back of my neck, lock it in, and then I'm going to rock back and forth with the pelvis here.